Hello everyone, myself Lalit Lakshmi Davarkonda. I am from CS63 batch. Our group members are Pooja Madan, Alok Khattar, Sanika Andure, Vedant Deshmukh. I am here to explain what is SQL. SQL is a structured query language. SQL is a programming language used to interact with relational database. It is used to perform crude operations like create, read, update, delete. Further explanation will be continued by Ms. Pooja.
The next topic is the dimensional modeling. Dimensional modeling is useful for storing data as if a student submits documents to a section. Instead of storing full student details in every application record, the dimension contains all student related data. We have the following fact table named Student Admissions Fact. It has various dimensions and attributes. The first dimension is the student dimension, which consists of a student ID primary key. The next dimensions are the next attributes are student gender, student date of birth, student address, student score. The next dimension is the scholarship dimension, which consists of scholar name, eligibility criteria, donor info, and the fees. The next dimension is the department dimension, which consists of department name, the department ID, department faculty, and the program duration. The department ID is a primary key. The next dimension is the dimension academic year, which consists of the academic year, the start date, and the end date. The next dimension is the date dimension, which consists of admission, date ID, which acts as a primary key, the full date, the day, month, year, and the quarter. The next dimension is the college dimension, which consists of college name, college address, the type of college, and ranking. The last dimension is the add MI status, which consists of status name and the description. The further part would be carried out by Vedant.
Hello, my name is Vedant Deshmukh. I am going to explain fact table. What is a fact table? A fact table is a central component in a data warehouse that contains quantitative data for analysis. It serves as the foundation for business, intelligence and reporting by storing data relevant to specific business processes. What are the key characteristics of fact table? Now let's see the first one. First one is the measures or key figures, which contains the numeric data like sales, revenue, profit or quantity. Second one is a grain. What is a grain? Defines the level of detail stored in the table. Third one is foreign key, which links to dimension tables which provide descriptive content. Fourth one is large volume. Fact tables usually have a massive number of rows due to transaction level granularity. Now, let's see the example of our video. Here we have student dimension fact, which is the fact table of our video, and other the tables are dimension tables, which contains all the dimension in it, and one of the dimension in each is a primary key, which goes in fact table as a foreign key, which helps us to make queries or get queries which are interconnected to each other. Now, why are we using star schema? A star schema is chosen for dimensional modeling in the context of student admissions because it provides a simple, high performance and flexible structure that enhances user accessibility and supports efficient analysis. It is particularly well suited for business users and reporting tools to quickly retrieve actionable insights. Now, the next topic is grains, which will be explained by Alok.
My name is Alok Kardan. I am talking about grains. What is grains? In the context of SQL, a grain refers to the level of detail or granularity in dataset or table. It defines the atomic level at which data is stored or analyzed. Understanding the grain is essential when designing a database, creating fact table and data warehouse. We are having 10 grains. First grain, find a student ID whose student score is more than 90% in year 2023-24. Second, how many students took admission in the year 2023-24? Third, what is the total fees collected for admission in specific program? Fourth, what is the total amount of scholarship awarded in the current semester? Fifth, how has the number of admission changed over the past 5 years? 6. What is the monthly trend in student admission? Which department has the highest number of student admission? 8. How many male and female students were admitted? Student 9. Which city or region has the highest number of admitted student? 10. What is the distribution of students across different program by gender?
Myself,
Next topic carry out Sanika.
myself, Sanika Andure. I will talk about subqueries and queries using joins. What is meant by subqueries? Subqueries is basically your queries within another SQL statements. So let's see first grade. It is grade 2. Select count in bracket distance student ID bracket close. As total admissions from fact students admissions where admission date key in bracket selects data date key from dimension date where year is equal to 2023 or in bracket year is equal to 2024 and month less than is equal to 6 in bracket semicolon. So let's see grade second. So it is a grade 8. Select student gender, count in bracket so star bracket close as admitted count from students where status is equal to admitted group by student gender semicolon. So we saw joins in these grades. So what is meant by joins? Joins means a clause in structured queries language combine columns from one to more table into new tables. So operation corresponds to joins operations in relational algebra. So thank you for listening us. Thank you so much.